Bring. Bring means to carry something to someone or someplace. She bring coffee for me.
Carry. To transport something from one place to another. He carried the groceries into the kitchen. Deliver. To take something to a specific destination. The courier delivered the package on time. Fetch. To go and get something and bring it back. The dog fetch a ball on field.
Bring in. To introduce or include something. The company decided to bring in new policies for remote work, transport, to move something from one location to another. They transported the goods by truck, convey, to take or carry something, often, formally. This letter conveys our gratitude for your support, bear, to carry or bring, often with effort. He bore the responsibility of leading the team. Move. To shift or transfer from one place to another. Please move the books to the other table. Introduce. To present or make something known. She introduced a new idea to the team. To transfer something to a different place. Please take these documents to the office.